So now we are going to discuss taking in inputs from the user. So this kind of entails we are going to be prompted with a sentence asking us a question or for some information. And what we're going to do is respond by our keyboard, and it's going to store that in a variable for later use, and we'll get to decide how we use that information. So that's quite a cool function and very important. So let's go ahead and just start with either removing this stuff or commenting it out. At least that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to reuse these names for the variables, so I'm going to comment those out too. So the input function, how do we use this? So first let's do name is equal to input, parentheses, what is your name? Then we'll do age is equal to input what, or we'll say how old are you? Yeah, how old are you? Now notice I put a space after each question mark. That's because we're going to be typing on the same line the question is asked, and I want to make sure that we aren't slamming words together, you know what I mean? So we click run. You'll notice it says what is your name, and my cursor appears right there. Perfect. My name is Alex and I am 23. So notice nothing happens. Well, that is correct. Let's do print name, print age. Now let's run it again, and you'll notice this time my name is Alex, I'm 23, and it says Alex 23. So we are able to store our own information into those actual variables asking for those user inputs. So that's very cool. So let's get rid of this print name age. So if we think about string concatenation now, and what we were doing before, we can actually go ahead and print hello plus name, and we'll do another plus. You are plus age plus years old. Awesome. Let's try it out. So now we do run module. I am Alex. I'm 23, and it says, hello Alex, you are 23 years old. Perfect. So that is an example of how we take inputs from a user and store into variables, and how we can now add that in order to do our same string concatenation, but this time we are actually replacing that fixed variable with something we created. And we could put anything in there, so that's very cool. And you're going to see how we can use this too in combination with a lot of other logic controllers later.